day in Adventure Bay. Look, here's Chase. I'm glad you're here, Chase. I've lost my pup pad somewhere around the lookout. Can you help me? Nice! Hold your finger. Perfect! Now drive to the pup pad. You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. Incredible! Whoa, that looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! It's a gift box! Oops, the birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! Keep going, pup! Good job, pup! There are 2 more birdhouses to fix. I'm adding them to your radar. Follow the arrows to find them. You found one. Let's fix it. You can do it, pup. You got it, pup. Just one more and done. Keep going, Chase. Beautiful. Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? It's the last birdhouse. Let's go. Almost there. Right on, pup. You got it. Nice bench. Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice. Tap on the broken bench to fix. I detect 2 more broken benches. Can you find and fix them? I've added them to your radar, Chase. Follow the arrows to find the broken benches. There, a bench piece. Tap nice. Bring it to the broken bench. Way to go, pup! There it is! Okay, time to fix it. Tap the rider button to go on a very special rescue mission. Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your Jason, cluck cluck, run amok. Tap Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets close, the chickens will move away from it. Get them to move back into their coop. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Great work, pups! Farmer Yumi will be happy. That was amazing, Chase! You deserve some pup treats. Catch! It's Sky! She also wants to play. Tap on Sky to play with her. Chase is going on patrol. He'll come back later. Look! Pup treats appeared on the winding road. Collect them all to win your prize. Keep collecting pup treats to win the prize hidden by the Paw Patrol badge. Keep collecting pup treats to win the prize hidden by the Paw Patrol badge. You did it! Puptacular! These are boost rings. On the boost ring to use it. You are the fastest pup in town. Drive over this patch to get a speed boost. Katie needs help. Tap on her to see what she needs. Follow the dots to reach your goal. Look, it's Callie. Aw, nice work, pup. Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. Tap the rider button to go on a very special rescue mission. Thanks for